already that he would be up.
Warning for Powell County in east central Kentucky, southeastern Montgomery County, and east central Kentucky.
Nice fellow. You don't tip the hat, you bow the knee, because Jesus said there's none good but one, that is God. And
Temporarily over southwestern Medford County in east central Kentucky until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Vaughansville, or over Stanton, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Hayden, Sandra, and Frankfurt. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Those decorative gravels and both topsoil, like the one.
Central Kentucky.